Hello everyone, this is Robio91, and I just want to show you guys something really awesome. First, let me fix my camera here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something a great road that I just found. There's a great road that's right up here that I just found. It's called Test Drive. Actually, it's called Test Drive. There's dealerships on it. There's car dealerships on it, and there's one motorcycle dealership called Ride Now, and it's like the closest dealership that I have to my house. This is the I-10 right here, and we're on Litchfield Road. Litchfield Road and I-10. If you want to look that up on a Phoenix map, that's where I'm located right now. Green light. So yeah. I'll let this guy go far. Hopefully this guy doesn't get in my way. I'm not going to say the speed limit here on this road. This is called Test Drive. I'm not going to say the speed limit on this road because that would be bad. Oh yeah, do U-turn, that's right. Alright. This road's like amazing. It's really awesome. We're in 6th gear, going about 60 miles per hour, and I had my blinker on. Whoops. Oh well. Some nice fucking curves here. Nice fucking curves. There's a nice curve. Oh yeah, that feels so good. What a nice fucking curve. Now is it?